हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 3 डाटा हैंडलिंग। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर 9690653773 दिया गया है। आपको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी समस्या होने पर नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे आप मुझसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं और इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड आपकी जो भी क्वेरीज है उन सारी क्वेरीज को आप जो है मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज मोड? As we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of the representative value for different requirements from or data. Other measure of central tendencies are used. आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स कि एक दर्जी है और उसने जो है बहुत सारे कपड़े बना रखे हैं। तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा किस प्रकार के कपड़े की संख्या है? The mode of the set of observation is the observation that occur most often. यानी जो सबसे मैक्सिमम टाइम जो आया हुआ है उसको हम जो है इसमें देखते हैं। यानी मैक्सिमम टाइम जो जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा हो ऐसा नंबर ही हमारा जो है उस ऑब्जर्वेशन का मॉड कहलाता है। मॉड ऑफ लार्ज डाटा, putting the same observation together and counting them is not easy if the number of observation is large. In such case, we tabulate the data. Tabulation can begin by putting tally marks and finding the frequency as you did in your previous classes. Median. Thus, in the given data arranged in ascending or descending order, the median gives us the middle observation. Thus, we realize that mean, mode, and median are the numbers that are the representative value of the group of observation of data. They lie between the minimum and maximum value of the data. They are also called the measure of central tendency. Now, students, let's start our exercise 3.2. The score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Find the mode and median of the data. They are same. Answer. Score of 15 students in mathematics test are this: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Arranging this score in the ascending order. First 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25, 25. Mode of the given data is the value of observation which occur for the most number of time. Median of the given data is the middle observation. Then the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. As there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the 8th observation. Hence median is equal to 20. Also it can be observed that 20 occur 4 times, that is maximum number of times. Therefore mode of the data is equal to 20. Yes, both are same. Next, the runs scored in cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Answer. The runs scored by 11 players are this. Arranging this score in an ascending order: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100, 120. We have to find mean, sum of the observation by total number of observation. इन सारे observation का हमने sum किया और by में 11 किया. Mode of the given data is the value of the observation which occur for the most number of the time. and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in a ascending or descending order. As there are 11 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the sixth observation. Median is 15. Also, it can be observed that 15 occur 3 times, the maximum number of the time, therefore mode of the data is 15. Now, no, these three are not same, mean are different. Next, question number 3. The weight in kg of 15 students of the class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Find the mode and median of this data. Is there are more than one mode? Answer. The weight of the 15 students are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Arranging these weight in ascending order: 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47, 50. First, mod of the given data is the value of the observation which occur for the most number of time, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranging in an ascending or descending order. As there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the eighth observation. Hence, median is equal to 40. Also, it can be observed that 38 and 43 both occur 3 times. That is a maximum number of time. Therefore, mode of this data is 38 and 43. Second, yes, there are two modes for the given data. Question number 4. Find the mode of and median of the data: 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. Answer. The given data is 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. Arranging the given data in an ascending order, and 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, 19. Mode of the given data is the value of the observation which occur for the most number of the times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranging in a ascending or descending order. As there are 9 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the fifth observation. Hence, median is 14. Also, it can be observed that 14 occur 3 times. That is a maximum number of the time. Therefore, mode of this data is also 14. Next question, question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. First, mod is always one of the number in the data. The mean can be one of the number in the data, and median is always one of the number of the data. A data always has a mod. Or data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So first है, the mod is always one of the number in the data. It is the true. Mod of the given data is that value of the observation which occur for the most number of the time. Therefore, it is one of the observation given in the data. Second, the mean can be one of the number of the data. False. Mean may or may not be one of the number in the data. Third, the median is always one of the number in the data. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है true. The median of the given data is the median observation when the data is arranged in the ascending or descending order. Fifth, the data's fourth, the data always has a mod. False. Data always has no mod. Always mod. ये हमारा false है. Fifth, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So 1, 2, sum of the data and divided by 9, though is not a 9. Let's check. Thank you students for watching my video. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आपने ध्यानपूर्वक हमारे इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर कुछ ग्राफिक्स आपके मनोरंजन के लिए दिया गया है, आप इसे देखें।